Bologna Central, Bologna train station. This is. As I said always, my train station in Modena is very nice, more than Bologna. You see, our. Uh, Shout out to all guys. This is Bologna train station. Today I am here, 25 November, because Vivian's arrived from Germany. So I meet her here in the train station, and I will accompany her in her hotel. I buy ticket, bus ticket already. I bought already, and so I am waiting here. She arrived 16. Time here, time is 15:38. She arrived 16 from Verona because her train from Germany was delayed 40 minutes. That's why. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.